Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious dessert made out of JellO, milk, and blueberry that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Well, first things first is getting prepared our mold. Grease your mold very well. This is a silicone mold. I am going to put it aside. I am going to continue with 1 cup of very hot water. And to this, I am going to add the mixture of the blueberry JellO. I am going to mix for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that the JellO really dissolves into the hot water. Once this is done, I am ready to add 2 extra cups of very cold water. Remember, when you're adding it, continue mixing so that it incorporates really good into the mixture of the blueberry JellO. The temperature has dropped and now we are ready. We are going to go ahead and start adding it into our mold. It's no longer hot. I am going to be very careful in adding this blueberry JellO into the mold. It's going to go into the refrigerator for about half an hour. Take your time making this amazing dessert. You're really going to love it. And it is perfect. Very few ingredients and perfect for this warm weather. When you come home from work and you want to enjoy something delicious and creamy, well, this is the perfect JellO. Made at home with lots of love. Let's take it to the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now I am ready to dissolve the unflavored gelatin. The unflavored gelatin, 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup and a half of very cold regular milk. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that the granules really dissolve. I'm helping myself with a whisk, and let me show you the texture. It's still thick, but it still needs some more to hydrate, get nice and hydrated. We're gonna put it aside. And here I have 1 bar of the Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm only using half to make this dessert really creamy and delicious. Well, this half I am going to start by taking the casing out, adding it into my blender cup. Look how easy it is to make this amazing JellO at home. I'm going to add it into my blender. I'm going to add 1 cup, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk. Yes, you might be thinking that it's going to be sugary, but it really is not. This is the perfect sweetness for your amazing homemade JellO. So here I'm removing, I'm not leaving anything behind of the condensed milk. Look at this, just amazing. Okay, once this is done, I want to show you how the hydrated, unflavored gelatin looks like, so you don't get scared. And here I have the unflavored gelatin, nice and clumpy, nice and thick. What I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it into a plastic cup, and I am going to take it to the microwave. Dissolve it every 15 to 30 seconds until it becomes one more time nice and runny. I am going to add it into my blender cup, removing everything from the cup. And of course, don't forget to add your vanilla paste or your vanilla extract. This is what's going to give this creamy JellO an amazing flavor. Now that you add it, let's blend away for a couple minutes. You want to make sure that the cream cheese really incorporates. That's why we are blending from 2 to 3 minutes. making sure that everything is well incorporated. By this time, I hope that the blueberry jello, it's already getting nice and firm. Before I add this mixture right on the top, I'm taking the jello out. Yes, it didn't stick to my fingertips, and now I'm ready to add the amazing mixture of the milk. Look at this. Remember to always cover your mold when you put it in the refrigerator so the jello doesn't absorb the odors or the smells of the refrigerator. I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for about 5 hours. After 5 hours, I am ready to show you how this looks. I can't wait to enjoy, let me tell you, because this creamy jello always comes out perfect with ingredients that you find in any supermarket. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. And now I am ready to reveal how this looks. Of course, I'm going to be very careful releasing it from the mold. This is a silicone mold. I added the spray so that it really releases nicely. There's a lot of bubbles right on the top. I hope everything comes out perfect. Being very gentle. And look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious blueberry creamy jello made at home. Look at this. Look at those little bubbles. They look amazing. Of course, when you are ready to slice your jello, make sure that you wet your knife so that the jello doesn't stick to the knife and you are able to take away that delicious and creamy slice. Oh my gosh, it looks delicious. I can't wait to enjoy. I can't wait to dig in. And of course, look how beautiful this looks. Don't forget, my friends, to leave me a thumbs up and be part of my family. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and creamy blueberry jello made at home with lots of love. Excuse me. What a perfect combination. Let me tell you, this jello is perfect for this warm weather. So delicious. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing and creamy jello. See you soon. Bye-bye.